This is the Overmont extra large heated camp chair. It is a pretty big chair, but it is made very nicely. The quality is excellent. It comes fully equipped with a nice little pocket to keep things cold. The inside of this pocket is just like a lunchbox, so it's waterproof, easy to wipe down, insulated. It's very deep, so you can fit a lunch, a couple cans in here, and then it's nice because it also has a double zipper to kind of help keep things cold, and it also velcros shut. The front of the chair has this really nice apron on it. The back of the chair is fully padded like a pillow, so it's very comfortable. And then the fabric of this chair is really, really nice quality, like a thick, heavy-duty canvas. You have your button for turning on the heat, and then you also have this USB port, and it's covered to kind of help keep any junk out of the port that you might have outside. When you want to use it, all you have to do is plug in your power bank. It has this nice little pocket here where you can put the power bank when it's in use. And then in order to turn it on, you hold the button down. Red is high, blue is a medium heat, and then white is a low heat. You will notice with this that you have the option to have the seat warm and the back warmed as well. The cup holder on this chair is awesome. It is pretty big, which I absolutely love. My 40-ounce tumbler will fit in here very easily. It's also nice because the bottom of the cup holder is mesh, so it's not going to collect any of the moisture off your cup, and it's extremely deep, so any size cup will fit excellent in here. This chair also has another pocket underneath the arm. It's the perfect size for your phone, your tablet, a book. It's also made out of mesh, so you don't wind up collecting any gunk in the bottom of the pocket. And then this chair also has a pocket on the back of the headrest. This is another very large pocket that you could put anything else that you need to store or keep hidden. It also comes equipped with an adjustable strap, which makes folding up this chair much easier. You can cinch that down and collect it. This chair is made out of a full metal construction, so it's a very, very quality chair. I love the fabric that this chair is made out of. It's a high quality, canvasy, very durable material. And then in the backrest, you'll notice that this panel is the one that warms up, and then right in the bucket of the seat, that panel will warm up for you as well for comfort when it's cold. It's very easy to fold up. All you have to do is grab the four corners and kind of push it shut. Once you get it folded up, all you have to do is grab that cord, and then you kind of tie it around the chair itself. You clip it, and then you can actually continue to cinch that down to really shut it nice and tight. And then you're able to fit it into the carrying case that comes with the chair. It has a really nice strap on it. The carrying case is made out of that same very high quality canvas. And the nice thing about that fabric on the case is that the inside of that is waterproofed. It comes with a nice little tie down, so it will last a long time and help you keep your chair in really great shape. The size of this chair is really large. I'm 5'4", 120 pounds, and you can probably fit two of me in this chair. I love that myself and my children can fit in this chair all together when we go to family outings. So it's a really wonderful chair if it's something that you're considering. It is rated for a very high weight capacity. Overall, very happy with this chair. It is something that the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my review. So hopefully my honest, unbiased opinion has helped you decide if it's the right chair for you or not.